G'day everyone, how you all going? Now, I'm just about to shoot off to do a video of the ocean in a minute. But we have a live, beautiful baby kangaroo there. Or a mother and baby, I should say. And we've got a beautiful coloured bird there on the feeder. Absolutely beautiful. A little windy today, but if you've got a nice sheltered spot in your garden and when the sun comes out, oh, that sun's beautiful and warm. G'day Ray, g'day Ray. Oh, it's absolutely a beautiful morning. I want to try to catch that bird into there as well. Yeah. Call them our lawnmowers or our giant flightless bird that keeps stealing the bird seed. Look how beautiful that is. Zoomed in all the way. And the lake's a little rough. Oh, now the sun comes out. Oh, let's go a bit closer if we can. Don't want to disturb it too much. Don't want to disturb that bird feeding either. Right, no, I've got no food at the moment for you, Maggie. You'll have to feed your little one yourself. There we go. Let's get closer. Get into the shade. That's better. We can get a better shot now. Hello. Just having a look at you. Alright. And that's a nice shot. Yeah, it's cute. There you go, Rick. Beautiful morning, isn't it? Oh, let it steal the bird seed. That looks so uncomfortable lying like that with your feet above your head, doesn't it? Oh, I've got to shoot. I've got to do other things as well. I wanted to show you that. Don't want you to scare that. There might be dog walkers around somewhere. Oh well. And as you see, today's a little bit windy. It's sheltered here a little bit, which is nice. But other than that, it's pretty windy. Oh, you two have fun. Don't steal all the bird seed. You'll leave some for the birds, okay? Thank you. Can't believe how beautiful it is today. Yesterday was perfect, but I had to go shopping. Today's a little bit windy. Don't think we'll get any rain. Oh, I'll go let that do its thing. I'm going to go wander off down to the surf beach. I'm more close up of the baby. That's pretty much not even 10 feet from our house. Oh, not from the house, but 10 feet from the property line. I know. Okay, I'll move out your way so you can get some food. Okay. Yeah, I'll go. I know you're beautiful. You want to have Tucker. Oh, I better shoot off, everyone. You all take it easy. Yeah, and you all have fun. I'll let the kangaroos and birds have their food. Thank you for watching. Can't believe how beautiful it is. You know that bird up there wants to go. Oh, you all have fun. Thank you again for watching.